Okay, here I've started knitting from my picked up stitches. You can see I've left a 8-inch or so tail when I started, so I'm going to use this tail to sew the pleat down when I'm done. So make sure you leave a little longer tail than usual. Now when you knit these stitches, you're going to actually insert the needle into the front of the stitch here, not like this as a normal knit stitch, but like this. And the reason for that is so that you don't twist the stitch and put extra stress on the stitch that the picked up stitch has gone through. See, if you knit it like this, then you see the stitch is twisted. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to just knit through the front of the stitch like that.